Are you ready for something
Very unique!
Welcome to 7-Eleven in Taipei, Taiwan.
Mickey Mouse edition. Oh, wow! This could be my new clubhouse. Let's discover it. I love this channel. Please subscribe to it. This video is subtitled, Turn on captions for a better experience. This store is just amazing, and I loved how they decorated. I feel at home here. Oh boy, look at all those amazing gifts that they have ready for Chinese New Year. I am so excited for it. It is going to be magical. Good times are here to stay. What else can we find in this wonderful store? Some delicious pastries and cakes. Oh boy, it is so nice from them to say that I'm an icon. I really love the retro style they used in this store. Those products look so good. Taiwan food is the best. Oh gee, isn't this swell? An amazing area to enjoy the delicious products you can buy here. On chairs with Minnie and my ears on them. The wall decoration is so beautiful. Classic status. Look, you can also find me in my favorite outfit. Oh boy. When they have built this, they must have certainly thought of one of my favorite quotes. Let's make some magic together. Look at those tables. They have recreated one of my paradise. I'm so excited. We could also do a picnic with the delicious food sold here. How is the other table? We're going on an adventure. This is gonna be fun. Golly, this one is super cool too. There is a castle. Minnie and I, wonderful life. This is so much fun. Back to this incredible store. I love it so much. What about you? Please share in comments how much you love it. Everywhere you look, there is something amazing, like my hands on the floor. Fantasia shadows on top of the fridges. Even a wonderful portrait there in the back. It's all part of the magic. Something else that is magical here is the food. Hot dog, life is better with you by my side. Shall we try some of the Taiwanese local delights? They look so delicious. Maybe I'll even bring some back for my friends. For sure they will enjoy them. Oh boy, here is Pikachu. Hiya, pal. Those instant noodles are also looking incredible. There are so many drinks available. Teas, waters, milks, soda, so much choice. Makes me feel like in Disneyland. This store is so beautiful. Oh gee! They also have here some tasty snacks. Lots of options. Many vegan jerkies. Seaweed snacks, chips, dried fruits, curly sticks, crackers, and so many more. It is so important to eat healthy food nowadays. A wonderful freezer with delicious natural vegetables in it. On top of it, some great gift boxes. Taiwanese people love to give gifts. They are so kind in this store. My name is all around it. Above the fridges, in between the fridges. Do they know Bart Simpson? Looks like one of its punishments. Ha ha! If it is him, I will offer him one of those great ice creams. Or maybe he might be thirsty after all this work. One of these delicious cool drinks could be a better choice. Look how gorgeous and tempting they all look like. Which one to choose? So many great options. Should we go for tea or for juices? Maybe an iced coffee? Love this store, and not only because I am its hero, also because they have such an outstanding product selection. Gosh! Oh gee! This really makes me love this store even more. Take the dream with you wherever you may go. Let's put my admiration on pause for a moment. And let's check out all the amazing products they are selling at 7-Eleven in Taiwan. You must know that they are so popular here that Taiwanese are doing some of their convenience grocery shopping in this store. They can buy here delicious ready-to-eat meals, some pre-cooked proteins, and amazing beers to go with it. Oh boy, let's get going. They also have a lot of ingredients, so you can make a very tasteful meal. Many different instant coffees, and other breakfast items. The floor decoration is so amazing. Let's take another look at it. By the way, do you know how many fingers I have? If you know, please share your answer in comments. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Here are the candies, cookies, and the chips. Those candies look amazing. There is so much choice on the shelf. Which one should we buy? I have a great idea. Let's buy all of them. Oh, look. You can see another part of me there. What about the groceries products? Gosh, the selection is so big. A lot of sauces, oils, and soups. Of course, many instant noodles too. Oh boy, I am trapped in a bottle. Donald's too. Hopefully it is for a great promo deal. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. This store is so nice. I really feel like at home here. Speaking of home, Here are all the home products. Oh, no, Pluto! The dog food will be for you, but later, not here. I need to go out of this alley as fast as possible. So many candies and chocolates. Oh boy! Do you see it? Here! Oh boy, it must be here because this coffee looks so amazing that people, after they have drunken it, they must say it. This space is so nice, consumers can enjoy their food and drinks here, as well as rest. Of what I understood, it is a must-have in a Taiwan convenience store. Speaking of must-haves, here are some great beauty and personal hygiene products. The pen selection is also super large. If you take a closer look at the bottom, they have socks with me on them and some with my good friend, Winnie the Pooh. Oh gee, I love this store so much. It is full of treasures. Lots of wonderful healthy snacks. Huge selection of sandwiches, some fruits, and a great choice of ready-to-eat meals. They even have a lot of microwaves to warm them up. We are in Taiwan, the mecca for electronics, and here are some amazing gashapon vending machines here. The funniest, no Mickey or Disney sold in them since 1928. This is when I am born. Come back later on this. Let's have a last look at this store from this part. Oh boy, it's so nice to see what they have done here. Oh no, our tour is slowly reaching its end. Let's take a last look all the amazing things they have in this store. The food they are selling is just amazing. And the decoration all around is just magical. Like this wonderful name. I am so flattered by all that they did around here. Product packs are also super cute and colourful, making this store a paradise. If you are wondering, yes, I am angry because we have to leave this store. I will miss all this beautiful decoration. As they write here, there is only one. Do they speak about me or do they speak about the store? Maybe both. Yes, it must be for sure both. Everywhere you look around here, there is something magical happening. They perfectly managed to integrate me all around the store. Even some of my other friends, like Snoopy here. Or Pikachu. I am wondering who is more famous in Asia, him or I? I have been entertaining you since 1928, nearly 100 years. I hope I also managed to entertain you for the 8 minutes of this store tour. If you come to it one day, you can buy special souvenirs here. Look how cute they are. They can be quite useful in Taiwan, especially for the umbrella. It often rains here. That's it for our tour today. I hope to see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Please check out other videos on this channel. As I love to say, when you're curious, you find lots of interesting things. And please share your feedback. I'm all ears. Have a wonderful day.